4 p.m. this afternoon, persistent rain showers with embedded heavier downpours this morning into the afternoon may lead to increased runoff and the potential for flash flooding across northeast Pennsylvania. A flash flood watch means that conditions may develop that lead to flash flooding. Flash flooding is a very dangerous situation. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. Central Mercer County in central New Jersey, southern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, central Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, until 5:45 p.m. At 1:51 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen. Flash flooding is expected. Some locations that could experience flooding include New Brunswick, Somerset, Edison, Old Bridge, East Brunswick, South Brunswick, Sayreville, North Brunswick, Princeton, Methuen, Jamesburg, Hopewell, Rocky Hill, Skillman, Brownville, Kingston, Dayton, Plainsboro Center, North Brunswick Township, and Kendall Park. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, northeastern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, until 3 p.m. At 2:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Kingston, or 11 miles southwest of New Brunswick, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include New Brunswick, Asbury Park, Sandy Hook, Middletown, Old Bridge, East Brunswick, South Brunswick, Sayreville, North Brunswick, Marlborough, Teton Falls, Holdell, Red Bank, Methuen, Jamesburg, Highlands, Cranberry, Farmingdale, Brownville, and East Freehold. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into the basement or small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Middlesex, Monmouth, and Somerset. The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 394, effective until 10 p.m. This watch includes the following counties in New Jersey, Hunterdon and Mercer, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Bucks, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. Remember, a severe thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watch area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating, severe thunderstorm watch number 394 has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Hunterdon and Mercer, and the following counties in Pennsylvania, Bucks, Montgomery, and Philadelphia. Thunderstorm was located about 15 nautical miles west of Long Branch, moving east at 25 knots. Hazard, wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source, radar. Impact, boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Seacourt Reef, Sea Bright, Shark River Reef, Sandy Hook Reef, Belmar, and Monmouth Beach. Move to safe harbor Antelope Jack.
Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for East Central Monmouth County in central New Jersey, southern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, until 6:30 p.m. At 2:35 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly in the areas of heaviest rain. Some locations that could experience flooding include Long Branch, Asbury Park, Old Bridge, Marlboro, Hidden Falls, Holdell, Red Bank, Junesburg, Cranberry, Farmingdale, East Freehold, Robertsville, Clearbrook Park, Yorktown, O'Barron, Woodingham, Collingwood Park, Lincroft, Morganville, and Brixton Meadows. Rainfall amounts of up to 2 inches are possible in the warned area in a very short period of time, which will cause flash flooding. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in a warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Here is the official national
New Jersey, central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 7:30 p.m. At 3:25 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing additional rain across the warned area, which has already seen heavy rain with earlier storms. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly in the areas of heaviest rain. Some locations that could experience flooding include Royalstown, Durham, Bedminster, Flemington, Tinicum, New Hope, Hopewell, Stockton, Knoxville, Sargent, Vale, Pipersville, Clover Hill, Helena, Cardenville, Lumberville, Sandbrook, and Lombardsville. Additional rainfall amounts of up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in a warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. The flash flood warning remains in effect. Warning for northwestern Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey, east central Lehigh County in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Northampton County in eastern Pennsylvania, until 8 p.m. At 3:55 p.m., Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain fell with earlier storms. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly in the areas of heaviest rain. Some locations that could experience flooding include Allentown, Easton, Bethlehem, Wilson, Hilltown, Clinton, Alpha, Glen Gardner, Glendale, Hampton, West Easton, Milford, Bloomsbury, Regalsville, Glendale, Pleasant Valley, Springtown, Old Orchard, Lehigh University, and Phillipsburg. Additional rainfall amounts of up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. At 3 p.m.
The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for the following New Jersey counties: Hunterdon and Warren, plus the following Pennsylvania counties: Bucks, Lehigh, and Northampton, effective until 8:27 p.m. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Hunterdon County, in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Warren County, in northwestern New Jersey, east central Lehigh County, in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County, in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Northampton County, in eastern Pennsylvania. Until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain fell with earlier storms. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly in the areas of heaviest rain. Some locations that could experience flooding include Allentown, Easton, Bethlehem, Wilson, Hellertown, Clinton, Alpha, Glen Gardner, Ferndale, Hampton, West Easton, Milford, Bloomsbury, Regalsville, Glendon, Pleasant Valley, Springtown, Old Orchard, Lehigh University, and Phillipsburg. Additional rainfall amounts of up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Turnaround, Dunteed Round 1 encountering flooded roads. Most flood.
The National Weather Service has issued a flash flood warning for the following New Jersey counties: Hunterdon and Warren, plus the following Pennsylvania counties: Bucks, Lehigh, and Northampton. Effective until 8:27 p.m., the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Hunterdon County, in northwestern New Jersey, southwestern Warren County, in northwestern New Jersey, east central Lehigh County, in eastern Pennsylvania, northwestern Bucks County, in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Northampton County, in eastern Pennsylvania. Until 8 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:55 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain fell with earlier storms. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly in the areas of heaviest rain. Some locations that could experience flooding include Allentown, Easton, Bethlehem, Wilson, Hellertown, Clinton, Alpha, Glen Gardner, Ferndale, Hampton, West Easton, Milford, Bloomsbury, Regalsville, Glendon, Pleasant Valley, Springtown, Old Orchard, Lehigh University, and Phillipsburg. Additional rainfall amounts of up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Precautionary/preparedness actions. Turnaround, Dunteed Round 1 encountering flooded roads. Most flood.
This is a weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards Warning device for station WXL 39 in Allentown, Pennsylvania. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of the signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties: in Pennsylvania, Berks, Bucks, Harbin, Lehigh, Monroe, Montgomery, Northampton, Pike, and Schuylkill. And in New Jersey, Hunterdon, Mercer, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station WXL 39 in Allentown, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. Watch for a portion of central Pennsylvania, including the following areas: Adams, Bedford, Blair, Cambria, Clearfield, Columbia, Cumberland, Dauphin, Franklin, Fulton, Huntingdon, Uniata, Lancaster, Lebanon, Mifflin, Montour, Northern Center, Northern Clinton, Northern Lycoming, Northumberland, Harry, Schuylkill, Snyder, Somerset, Southern Center, Southern Clinton, Southern Lycoming, Sullivan, Union, and York. Until midnight tonight, locally heavy showers and thunderstorms are expected this afternoon and evening. With soils already moist from recent rainfalls, flash flooding is possible where the heaviest rain falls. Review flood safety and preparedness information at weather.gov/safety/flood. At 1 p.m., the temperature was 75 degrees with across over an inch are possible in the Warren area. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Camden County in southern New Jersey, north central Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southwestern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, southwestern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 12:45 a.m. At 6:48 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Up to 1 inch of rain has already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly in the areas of heaviest rain. Some locations that could experience flooding include Philadelphia, Cambridge, Gloucester City, Cherry Hill, Effingham, Mount Laurel, Deptford, Voorhees, Medford, West Deptford, Lindenwold, Lumberton, Belmore. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for central Berks County in eastern Pennsylvania until 1:15 a.m. Thursday. At 7:14 p.m., Doppler radar indicated showers and thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the Warren area. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly in the areas of heaviest rain. Some locations that could experience flooding include Reading, Wyomissing, Fleetwood, Singing Spring, Royaldale, Waldorf, Wintersville, New Manstown, Leesport, Shoemakersville, Burnville, Spring Ridge, Fairview Heights, Shillington, West Reading, Mount Penn, Lawton, Kenilworth, St. Lawrence, and Centerport. Additional rainfall amounts of an inch or two are possible in the Warren area. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage areas and low-lying spots. If possible. Locations impacted include Philadelphia, Wilmington, Newark, Westchester, Norristown, Chester, Phoenixville, West Norton, East Norton, Pennsville, Coatesville, Yevon, Westtown, Carnegie Point, Downingtown, Conshohocken, Hatboro, Fulton, Hamler, and Swarthmore. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Chester, Delaware, Montgomery, and Philadelphia, and Newcastle, Delaware, and Cecil, Maryland, and the following counties in New Jersey: Gloucester and Salem. Southern New Jersey, East Central Salem County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, Camden County in southern New Jersey, Mercer County in central New Jersey, eastern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, northern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, southwestern Monmouth County in central New Jersey, southwestern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, southeastern Knox County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 7:15 p.m. At 3:18 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms were about to move over areas that received very heavy rainfall last night. Up to 1 and 1/2 inches can be expected with these thunderstorms. The rain will fall in a very short time and produce flash flooding across portions of the Warren area. Creeks and streams remain high. Some are still flooding from last night's rain. The thunderstorms expected over the next hour or two will add more runoff and exacerbate current flooding. Some locations that could experience flooding include Trenton, Vineland, Cherry Hill, Bensalem, Effingham, Mount Laurel, Manalapan, Ewing, Willingboro, Voorhees, Medford, Glassboro, Lindenwold, Hamilton, Lumberton, Princeton, Florence, Belmore, Burlington, and Bristol. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Northwestern Ocean County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Mercer County in central New Jersey, north central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, Monmouth County in central New Jersey, southern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, until 5 p.m. At 4:05 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Windsor, or 11 miles east of Trenton, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Trenton, Long Branch, Sandy Hook, Middletown, Old Bridge, East Brunswick, Sayreville, Marlboro, Manalapan, Season Falls, Holyoke, Red Bank, McClellan, Jamesburg, Hightown, Highlands, Cranberry, Allentown, Roosevelt, and Brownville. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington,
Holiday Heights, Waretown, and Silver Ridge. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. They will send your report to the National Weather Service office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:30 p.m. for the following counties: New Jersey, Atlanta, Bloomington, and the severe thunderstorm impact. Boats and small craft could be thrown overboard by suddenly higher winds and waves capsizing their vessels. Locations impacted include Northeast River, Spicity Island, and Turkey Point. Move to safe harbor immediately as gusty winds and high waves are expected. Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Central Ocean County in southern New Jersey, East Central Burlington County in southern New Jersey, until 4:45 p.m. At 3:55 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Presidential Lakes, or 20 miles west of Toms River, moving east at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Barnra, Get, Beechwood, Presidential Lakes Estates, Presidential Lakes, Denver Lake, Cedar Glen Lakes, Whiting, Brookville, Warren Grove, Pine Ridge, Crestwood, Browns Mills, Chatsworth, Old Halfway, Holiday City South, Holiday City Berkeley, South Toms River, Island Heights, Country Lake Estates, Crestwood Village, and Ocean Acres. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington and Ocean. Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Hunterdon County in northwestern New Jersey, southern Warren County in northwestern New Jersey.
Miles an hour this evening, decreasing to 5 miles an hour at
3:55 p.m. Severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Roxburgh to near Jerryville, moving southeast at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-sized hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Quakertown, Perthesy, Doylestown, Durham, Souderton, Bedminster, Washington, Chalfont, Tinicum, High Bridge, Clinton, Belvedere, Harmony, Oxford, Alpha, Dublin, Glen Gardner, Ferndale, Hampton, and Fronttown. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Bucks and Montgomery. Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northern Kent County in northeastern Maryland, Cecil County in northeastern Maryland, western Salem County in southern New Jersey, west central Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, southwestern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, south central Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 4:45 p.m. At 3:59 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Trinity Square to Glen Westover to Farmington, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 70 miles per hour with gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Newark, Middletown, Elkton, Calvert, Chester, Pennsville, Carnegie Point, Ellesmere, Kennett Square, Newcastle, Penns Grove, Salem, Oxford, Northeast, Woodstown, Alloway, West Road, Rising Sunshine, and Cook Pond. This is a dangerous situation. These storms are producing widespread wind damage across Chester County, Pennsylvania. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties: Newcastle, Delaware, and the following counties in Maryland, Cecil and Kent, and the following counties in New Jersey, Gloucester and Salem, and the following counties in Pennsylvania. New Jersey has issued a flash flood warning for northern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northern Salem County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, south central Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 8 p.m. At 3:59 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly in the areas of heaviest rain. Some locations that could experience flooding include Wilmington, Chester, Glassboro, Pennsville, Pittston, Clayton, Carneys Point, Ellesmere, Newcastle, Penns Grove, Woodstown, Swedesboro, Elmer, Newport, Arden, Stanton, North Star, Tolleyville, Wilmington Manor, and Elam. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in a warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts and quarters. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Toms River, Beechwood, Presidential Lakes Estates, Presidential Lakes, Holiday City Berkeley, Denver Lake, Cedar Glen Lakes, Holiday City South, Pine Ridge, Crestwood, Brownsville, South Toms River, Island Heights, Country Lake Estates, Silver Ridge, Crestwood Village, Woodford Park, Holiday City, and Holiday Heights. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Burlington, and Ocean. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:15 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren. Hazard: 50 miles per hour in gusts and quarter-sized hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roof, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Dover, Middletown, Smyrna, Camden, Clayton, Delaware City, Cheswell, Cecilton, Hartley, Warwick, Bohemia's Mills, Hazlettville, Fort Penn, Delaney Corner, Dover Base Housing, Dover Speedway, St. George's, Sassafras, Mount Pleasant, and Green Spring. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Torrential rainfall is occurring with these storms and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 5:30 p.m. for the following counties in Delaware, Kent, and Newcastle, and the following counties in Maryland, Cecil, and Kent. A severe thunderstorm warning remains. Jamaica Bay and Rockaway Inlet around 5:45 p.m. Use the safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Frequent lightning is occurring with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Lakers, Tremont, Elizabethville, Williamstown. The temperature was watch number 31. This watch includes the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Mercer, Morris, Sussex, and Warren, and the following counties: Bucks, Manhattan, and Philadelphia. The thunderstorm watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including large hail and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA weather radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information. Repeating,
severe thunderstorm watch number 318 has been issued until 10 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Hunterdon, Mercer, Morris, Sussex, and Warren, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Lehigh, Montgomery, Northampton, and Philadelphia. Northeastern Newcastle County in northern Delaware, northwestern Cumberland County in southern New Jersey, central Salem County in southern New Jersey, northwestern Gloucester County in southern New Jersey, southeastern Chester County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southwestern Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, until 7:30 p.m. At 6:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Ellesmere, or over Wilmington, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Chester, Deptford, West Deptford, Glassboro, Pennsville, Westtown, Woodbury, Pittman, Carneys Point, Philcroft, Swarthmore, Ellesmere, Paulsboro, Newcastle, Penns Grove, Woodstown, Alloway, Woodbury Heights, and National Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:30 p.m. for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Chester, Delaware, and Philadelphia, and Newcastle, Delaware, and the following counties in New Jersey: Cumberland, Gloucester, and Salem. The National Weather Service forecast. At 7:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Georgetown, or 14 miles east of Reading, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor damage to vehicles is possible. Wind damage to roofs, siding, trees, and power lines is possible. Locations: Pottstown, Clarksville, Lansdale, West Norton, East Norton, Percy, Doylestown, Durham, Hatboro, Southern, Bedminster, Ambler, Collegeville, Royersford, Chalfont, Tinicum, Hatfield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 8 p.m. for the following county: Hunterdon, New Jersey, and the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Chester, and Montgomery. Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Morris County in northern New Jersey, northern Somerset County in northern New Jersey, northeastern Middlesex County in northern New Jersey, until 9:45 p.m. At 9:06 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Fart Hills to near Edison, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to roofs, siding, trees. Locations impacted include New Brunswick, Perth Amboy, Morristown, Somerville, Somerset, Edison, East Brunswick, Sayreville, Carteret, Madison, Middlesex, Florham Park, East Hanover, Bound Brook, Chatham, Peapack and Gladstone, Fart Hills, Colonia, Martinsville, and Millington. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, frequent cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with these storms. Move indoors immediately. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Middlesex, Morris, and Somerset. Middlesex, Morris, and Somerset. Severe thunderstorm watch 318 in effect until 10 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time this evening for portions of the severe Chicken Falls, moving northeast at 75 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Elizabeth and Bloomfield around 9:20 p.m. Newark and Jersey City around 9:25 p.m. Paramus
entering with around 9:30 p.m. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of the building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey, Bergen, Essex, Passaic, and Union. The National County in southeastern Pennsylvania, South Central Bucks County in southeastern Pennsylvania, Philadelphia County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 12:15 a.m. At 8:20 p.m., Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly in the areas of heaviest rain. Some locations that could experience flooding include Philadelphia, Bensalem, Yadam, Jenkintown, Narberth, Rockledge, Abington, Bremerton, Withenham, Feasterville Turbos, Morris Park, Germantown, Northeast Philadelphia, Center City, Feasterville, Tacony, Andalusia, Holmesburg, Kensington, and Roxborough. Additional rainfall amounts of up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Turn around, don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Move to higher ground now. Act quickly to protect your life. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Please report flooding to your local law enforcement agency when you can do so safely. A flash flood warning means that flooding is imminent or occurring. If you are in a warned area, move to higher ground immediately. Residents living along streams and creeks should take immediate precautions to protect life and property. The cover now. Move to a basement floor and interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may have this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. We will send your report to the National Weather Service Office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Repeating, the tornado warning has been issued until 9 p.m. for the following counties in New Jersey: Burlington, Camden, and Gloucester. The tornado hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated location. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roof, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Presidential Lakes Estates, Pemberton, Wrightstown, Presidential Lakes, Woodruff, Seaward Lakes, Whiting, Browns Mills, Leisure Town, Country Lake Estates, Crestwood Village, Pemberton Heights, Fort Dix, McGuire Air Force Base, and New Egypt. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. Motorists should not take shelter under highway overpasses. If you cannot safely drive away from the tornado, as a last resort, either park your vehicle and stay put, or abandon your vehicle and lie out in a low-lying area and protect yourself from flying debris. Heavy rainfall may have this tornado. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. Tornadoes are extremely difficult to see and confirm at night. Do not wait to see or hear the tornado. Take cover now. To report severe weather, contact your nearest law enforcement agency. We will send your report to the National Weather Service Office in Mount Holly, New Jersey. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm. Chance of rain 50%. Drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Mostly cloudy with the 30. The National Weather Service